What is ternary conditional operator in JavaScript? It is shorthand of a classical if-else condition. You remember that we learned in the last lecture, like in the last lesson, if and else operator. If it is like true condition, we get here true, so it will go here. If it is false, we will go here. So the ternary conditional operator is shorthand of this operator, and if condition is true, so expression, it will come here. If false, it will come here. It is pretty easy. Let's see an example. For example, we have a variable age 17, and we do let category. I will open autosave. I will turn off autosave to not get a lot of errors here. Okay, so if age is equal or bigger than 18, so we will print like doing like this operator, and adult. If not, minor. And let's see what happened. Okay. So if age is bigger from 18, it will get adult. If not, like it is if and it is if not. This one is, we can like think like this. It is here, and this one is else. And let's print category variable. And we get minor because it is 17. If it will be 18, and I will save, I will get adult. Let's see another example. I'll comment this one. Let's create a variable hours, or our new date. We'll have a look dates later, just like now the JavaScript has a method date and get hour. Let's print this one and see what we will get if we will print our variable. Save and print. I get 7 because it is 7 AM morning in my time. So let's create now a variable, one more condition. Let greeting equal if hour less than 12. We want to have good morning or good afternoon. And just let's print greetings here. Good morning, of course, because it is morning. And if it will be already afternoon, we will get good afternoon. So this is an expression, because like what is expression? When it is produce a value, this line is produce a value and assigns to the greetings variable, and we can use this variable everywhere. So it is a shorthand of if condition, and we can use it in some different ways in different applications when we want to assign if or else like value to a variable.